Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out one of the cutest lip glosses ever. This is from Winky Lux and it's the Neapolitan Gloss. Look at this, it's so cute, the little ice cream cones all over it. I love Winky Lux. They make the cutest products, and in my recent PR video you might have seen all of the adorable new lippy products that they sent me that I am so excited to try out, and this was one of them. If you have not seen that PR haul unboxing, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But this is a disclaimer also that this product was sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I am so excited to try this out. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, it's vegan, it has jojoba oil and vitamin E in it, and it retails for $18. So let's see how it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love the tri-color to it, and it has little ice cream cones all over it. There you can see, and of course I love the pink packaging and a little cherry on the lid. So let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, nice. It's kind of at an angle, like a rounded tip angled applicator. It smells so good. It smells so sweet. It kind of smells like a vanilla ice cream. Oh my gosh, this makes me want ice cream. And I also want to start out with a swatch. Ooh, it does have a slight hint of a light pink color to it. You can see there. And my lips are feeling dry per usual. So let's see what this does for my chapped lips. Oh, that feels so nice. It's a nice thick gloss, which I love. I feel like now that it's on my lips, it's very sheer. Like I don't think it really adds a hint of pink to it, but it has a lot of shine, which is very enhancing to the lips and looks so pretty. And I love a pleasantly scented lip gloss. This lip gloss in general kind of gives me throwback vibes to the lip glosses that I loved growing up that had like ice cream scents to them. Also, the tri-color to it is kind of like a throwback vibe as well. But it really is such a nice gloss. I love the texture of it and it looks so pretty on the lips. Definitely moisturizing. I feel like it's given my lips that smoothed out look. So such a nice, fun lip gloss. I will say $18 I think is pretty pricey because overall this is just a standard gloss to me. I don't think it does anything that a less expensive lip gloss can't do. But I think it's more like the novelty of it, how cute it is. And so I really do like it, but it's not like the most impressive, different. Like, I think this is such a nice lip gloss and it's up there with some of the best classic lip glosses I've tried, but it's not anything different than what you can find in your classic lip gloss. I love that my lips feel completely moisturized now. The shine is enhancing, so I think this would be a nice lip topper as well. I have a fun question to put in the comments down below. Which is your favorite flavor? Chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? For me, I would probably have to say I'm a chocolate type of gal, but I would love to hear people's favorites in the comments down below, so let me know. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.